Hello, I'm Cadet Gilliam, and this is Cadet Robinette, and we're going to talk to you about Deliverable 1A. So we're going to start with looking at our agenda. First, we're going to show you our influence diagram, and then we're going to show you our working model and what we've got so far. And then we'll talk about the remaining tasks we still have to complete to finish our model, and then we'll show you our documentation to wrap up the video. So looking at our influence diagram, our main objective is the net worth, which is here, and the main things coming into the net worth are our expenses, our salary, and our benefits. Also savings and investments go into net worth, but that comes from salary. And basically all these things in the middle here, like the commissary PX benefits, GI bill, years of service, education allowances, and benefits for dependents all go into the benefits. For salary, we have deployment pay, BAH, rank, also years of service going into the salary. And our expenses, just things like food, housing, and then also taxes go into expenses. And then one of our main decisions is location, and this is going to have an effect on our BAH and our taxes and also our housing.
As you can see, this is our current working model. This is our kind of home page of where you can see the user's total net worth, which is the sum of all of these different costs and salaries and benefits and whatnot. We also have average monthly expenses where we could multiply that by 12 to get kind of a yearly estimate of what the user is spending, just so then they themselves get an idea of how much they should spend based on their total net worth. So our first little section is salary, where the user will be able to input their pay grade as well as how many years they've been in the service, and that will spit out their salary. On the benefits page, we're currently working to put in the GI Bill specifics as well as the education specifics. With the commissary and PX, we know that I'll get them. We also have pay charts for the BAH with dependents, without dependents, where the user can input their duty zip code and pay grade. We also have taxes, tax brackets, investment rate returns. We're still working on this as investment rate returns are difficult to comprehend. We have a retirement section where the user can find out what percentage of retirement they'll get based on the number of years of service. Finally, we have the deployment page where the user can input the number of years or months they served in deployment to get the allowance there. And finally, this is our documentation with all the websites we found the pay charts and on. Thank you!